Hello, this is Andy from Team SAVOX. So today I want to show you how to replace the gear set. So this one is a guide series. Okay, replace the gear set. You need to prepare the tool. First, screwdriver, tweezers, pliers, grease, and paper towel if to all your teeth. Of course, the gear set. Okay, so this one is a SG-0212MG. It's a slim guide servo we have. It's only 8mm. So I will show you how to replace that. First, you need to open the case. So there is a gear. Okay, first you need to take out the first gear, the second gear, and use the pliers to pull out the pin. So if you cannot pull out the pin, then you just pull out the shaft. So first, the upper shaft, remember the D-cut. Then second, the first gear and this gear. Final. Remember the grass. Close the case. So there's SG-0212.